Hello students, this is your computer class. Today, chapter 5 Python Variables and Operators. Today's content is Python Introduction, Features of Python, IDLE, and Python Programming. First, we will see what is a Python. Python is a general purpose programming language created by Guido van Rossum from CWI. The language was released in 1991. Python support both procedural and object-oriented programming approaches. Now, features of Python. Python has automatic memory management. It is a platform-independent language. Python in programming is easy readable and understandable. It is a general purpose language. It can be used for scientific and non-scientific programming. Python has two versions, Python 2.x and 3.x, which has IDLE. IDLE is Integrated Development Learning Environment, which is used to develop and run Python coding. Modes of Python are interactive mode and script mode. Now, input function is used to enter data at runtime by the user. Syntax will be input within the bracket prompt string. Output function is used to display result on the screen. For this purpose, print statement is used. Example, print within quotation welcome. In Python, commands begin with the # symbol. Line that begins with # are considered as commands, and it is ignored by Python interpreter. Commands can be single line or multi-lines. Python uses white space such as space and tab to define the indentation. So, we started with Python programming. First, we'll see how to use this Python programming. We have two modes available, interactive mode and script mode. First one we will see about interactive mode programming. So, to start interactive mode programming, click Start All Program Python 3.x IDLE Python 3.x. IDLE is Integrated Development Learning Environment. This screen will appear. Here we have menu bar, title bar, and this is the command prompt, Python prompt. So here, as and when you type the coding, immediately you will get the result. This is the interactive mode programming. So now we will see the example for interactive mode programming. First see, after the Python prompt, print Python programming language statement is given. Print statement is used to print whatever is given inside the brackets. Now after typing this, if you press enter, Python programming language statement will be displayed. Another example, find the sum of two numbers, x is equal to 10, y is equal to 20, z is equal to x plus y. Print the sum equal to z. So, after pressing enter, you will get the answer as the sum equal to 30. So, interactive mode programming is as and when you type the program, you will get the result. This is interactive mode programming. Second one is the Script mode programming. A script mode is a text file containing the Python statement. Python script or reusable code. Once the script is created, it can be executed again and again without retyping. Now we will see how to create script in Python. First is choose file, new file, or press Ctrl N in Python shell. After clicking file new, you will get a untitled blank script text editor where you have to type the program coding. After typing the program coding, the file has to be saved. So click file save or Ctrl+S to save your file. A save dialog box will open. Here you have to type the name of the file and with the .py extension. .py is extension for Python and you have to save the file. After saving the file, the program has to be executed. You have to run the program. For running the program, click run module or press F5. You will get the answer, or if there is any error, the error will be displayed in red color in the IDLE window, or you will get the exact answer. This is called as script mode. Now we will see the example for Python program. So here sum of two number is given as example. First we will see an example. Here x, y, z, all these are name of variable. 10, 20 are the values assigned to the variable. So now x is equal to 10, y is equal to 20. You are going to add two numbers, that is x and y. The operator you are going to use in between is plus. So z is equal to x plus y. The values is already assigned. Then we have print statement. Print statement is used to display the answer. Print the sum equal to z is given. So what will be the answer now? The sum is equal to, it will add 20 and 10. You will get the answer as 30. This is the way of directly initializing the value and finding out the answer. Second one is, here the same program but at the runtime you are going to enter the value. Now see the example here. Input statement and print statement is used. Input is used to give values. Print is used to display the answer. Now x is equal to, int is integer, input enter number 1. I am getting the first value. Y is equal to int, input enter number 2. I am getting second value. Both is given as int. So I am getting integer value. The next one is, you have to add these two numbers. At the time of execution, you are going to get two numbers. These two numbers has to be added and you have to get the answer. So directly it is given as print the sum is equal to x plus y. So what will be the answer? After you execute the program, you will get the statement as enter number 1. You will enter a number. Then it will ask for enter number 2. You will enter another number. These two numbers will be added and you will get the sum equal to answer as 90. So this is another example of adding two numbers. This is for today's class. Remaining we'll see in the next class. Thank you.